Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how many hours to study for USMLE Step 1. Preparing for this crucial exam requires a thoughtful approach to your study time. We'll break down the typical duration, daily commitment, and effective strategies to help you succeed. Our goal is to provide a clear, step-by-step guide, ensuring you feel confident and well prepared for your examination. Let's dive into building a robust study plan together. Many students find that a dedicated study period of 6 to 8 weeks is ideal for USMLE Step 1. However, some may benefit from extending this to 10 or even 12 weeks, depending on their foundational knowledge. During this time, a typical day often involves 8 to 10 hours of focused study, incorporating a mix of active learning, practice questions, and thorough content review. Consistency is key to covering the vast amount of material effectively. Creating a structured study schedule is paramount for success. Begin by allocating specific time blocks for each subject and for tackling question banks. Remember to integrate regular, short breaks throughout your day to prevent burnout and maintain peak concentration. Focus on high-yield topics, as these often appear more frequently on the exam. Regularly review your progress and be flexible, adjusting your plan as you identify areas needing more attention. To truly maximize your study efficiency, active learning is crucial. Don't just passively read. Instead, engage with the material through practice questions and active recall techniques. Employ spaced repetition systems to solidify information in your long-term memory, making retrieval easier on exam day. Regularly simulate exam conditions by taking full-length practice tests. Finally, always seek feedback on your performance to pinpoint weaknesses and refine your approach, ensuring continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.